Welcome to 35 Buena Vista Drive in Orangeville. There's nothing more inviting than a peaceful, spacious, and heartwarming house to come home to, and that is exactly what 35 Buena Vista has to offer. The quality and care exhibited in this home will enchant you and your family, and those that experience it will never want to leave. This stunning, sought-after Salem model is perched on top of Orangeville and is walking distance to all its amazing amenities. These include the Island Lake Public School, Island Lake Conservation Area, and the award-winning downtown Broadway. With over 60 foot of frontage, the perfect porch for watching as days roll by, the outdoor space here will quickly become enchanting. Walk into this inviting front entrance and instantly be impressed by the cathedral ceiling, natural light, spacious interior, and dark hardwood flooring. As you walk into the warm and cozy family room, you will notice the custom fireplace, cabinet and nook, large windows with California shutters, and most of all, the open concept living and cooking space. The home's appetizing kitchen features stainless steel appliances, dark cabinetry, quartz countertop, and the always sought-after large island counter with 3 pendant lights for all your day-to-day needs. Open the door behind the kitchen and see the main floor laundry room with high-end appliances and access to the gorgeous backyard and massive 3-car garage. As you walk upstairs, you will realize the natural divide between adult space and the children's rooms. 3 bright, spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom serve your family well on the east wing of the home. It is the west side of the staircase that will interest you the most, with your very own loft office or library that overlooks your great room, and best of all, access your master bedroom through the French doors, and you can relax for a great night's sleep. Wake up to enjoy your private ensuite bathroom, to find your extra large walk-in shower, enjoy your organized wardrobe with the large walk-in closet, and head downstairs to enjoy the gorgeous backyard with the coffee in hand. The stunning backyard is a fantastic place to host a barbecue while spending time with friends and family. Alternatively, just to relax and enjoy your very own private heated pool with a custom stone patio built to showcase these gorgeous stones and the maintenance-free backyard for easy year-round enjoyment. On those cold winter days, find reprieve in the naturally lit, professionally finished basement. Enjoy great memories playing in the recreation space or watching your favorite show in the spacious movie room. This basement is complete with a special child's playroom with lighting and outlets, as well as your very own gym and a 2-piece bathroom. Even the ample storage and massive cantina will appeal to the pragmatist in the family. All said, this gorgeous home is exactly that, the perfect home. Home is a place you grow up wanting to leave and grow old wanting to get back to. This is 35 Buena Vista, the dream home you have always been looking for. Don't delay, this home may not even last a day. Call today for a viewing.